In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design a flyer in Figma. We will move from a blank canvas to a polished print-ready PDF, keeping the process simple and practical so you can repeat it anytime. Start by opening Figma. If you already have your design open, you are set. If not, create a new file and press F to activate the frame tool. Under the paper section, pick a ready-made frame so you are working at a real-world size. Choose a standard option like a 4, a 5, or US letter to make printing straightforward. Pick the size that matches how you plan to distribute the flyer, and choose portrait or landscape based on your content. Before placing anything, add structure with a layout grid. In the right-hand panel, add a grid and switch it to columns. Set it to 6 columns with 24 pixel margins and a 16 pixel gutter. This gives you built-in alignment, so headlines, images, and details line up cleanly. Grids help you avoid the everything is floating look and keep spacing consistent. Now bring in your content. Use the rectangle tool with R or the ellipse tool with O to build backgrounds, color blocks, or graphic accents. These simple shapes create visual sections that guide the eye. Add text with T, establishing hierarchy, a strong title that's clear at a glance, supporting subtitles, and smaller body text for details such as dates, locations, or calls to action. Vary size, weight, and spacing to make the important parts pop. And keep a consistent type scale so the design feels cohesive. To add images, just drag and drop them into Figma. Place them on the grid and size them so they balance with your text. If needed, crop to a strong focal point so the message stays front and center. Refine your design using the Properties panel. Adjust colors and try subtle gradients for depth. If you use drop shadows, keep them soft and restrained to avoid a cluttered look. Check contrast between text and background for readability and nudge spacing so elements breathe without feeling disconnected. If you want a head start, explore Figma community templates. Browsing existing flyer templates can spark ideas and speed up layout decisions. You can swap in your own colors, fonts, and images while learning what effective structures look like. When everything looks right, export your frame as a PDF for print. Make sure your margins are intact, so nothing important sits too close to the edge. Review the PDF quickly, and you are ready to share or send to print. Thanks for watching.